several $1,000,000 per year with a product that you've had your entire life. That's right, this next product that I'm gonna reveal in today's episode of 7-Figure Product Series is one that, well, I was gonna say that you all use. I hope that you all use. This product's been around for God knows how long and it's not going anywhere. It's a light product, a product that's used every single day, regardless of where you live, how young or how old you are, and this product is absolutely crushing it. Today's episode, we are breaking down a set of premium luxury towels. This is Turkish linens, and this is a 6-pack. You can't get more basic, you can't get more generic than this. Yet, when we look at the revenue, and we look at what the other sellers are doing, selling products in this niche and in this category, you're gonna be blown away. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into my computer, check out the metrics. All right, here you can see that looking at the product discovery report, you can see that the average sales price is around $34 for the search term bath towels or premium bath towels. You can see that the gross revenue is around $200,000. Net on that's around $60,000 per month. That's nice, about $720,000 profit per year selling towels, right? On top of that, you can see that the average annual revenue is just at $2.4 million. Now, the product summary on the search term bath towels, average daily sales around $6,700, average daily units around 194, the average monthly unit sales just at 200,000. The average monthly units sold are 5,816, and the average product cost is around $8. Looking at the top keywords, you can see that they range anywhere between 3,000 to 4,000, all the way up to bath towels at an astonishing 176,000 searches per month for that search term. So we like looking at search terms and keyword volume when we're looking at depth of market and we're looking at potential sales. The amount of eyeballs looking up a product can determine the amount of frequency that we can have in terms of sales as well as depth of market for that product. This is a really good determining factor. Next, we like to look at the search volume for the last several years. You can see it's nice and horizontal, not a lot of volatility. Like I said, this is a product that's gonna sell Monday through Friday, January through December, regardless if you're 6 or 66. This is a product that everybody can use. And it's a product that I wouldn't say is ordered every single month, so it's not a recurring revenue or a subscribe and save model. However, this is a product that is probably ordered, I would say 5 to 8 times around there if I had to do the research per year. So the beautiful thing that a lot of people don't know is on subscribe and save, you can actually set up different frequency models. So it doesn't have to be your coffee or your toilet paper or your toiletry items that you do subscribe and save with every single 30 days, but you can change the frequency for every 3 months or every 6 months. So I am willing to bet that the guys and girls that are doing this product right are doing subscribe and sales recurring revenue every single month, because you're gonna have an overlap of when people buy and when they set up subscribe and save. Moving right along onto the research strategy, we went ahead with monthly units sold of over 5,000, minimum average monthly price of $30, and we excluded top brands. The category that we searched in is in home and kitchen, one of my favorite personal categories. Now, the product selection, this brand, Shakir Turkish linens, the monthly revenue on this product here is $273,294. The reviews is sitting at 16,375. The rank is on the first page at 15th for the main search term. The selling price is $46.99, and the product weight is just at 5 pounds. Now, pulling up the Jungle Scout Chrome extension here, you can see that there's tons of other brands other than this one that are generating a ton of revenue. If you look at Tens Towels, they're generating $447,000 per month. That's just under $5 million per year. If you look at American Soft, they're generating over $12 million per year with their line of towels. If you look at Utopia Towels, they're generating 7 figures per year, and the list goes on. There are tons of 6- and 7-figure brands selling in this industry. However, this is a very competitive niche. So I know some of you guys are seeing dollar signs in your eyes, but look at the amount of monthly units that are being sold. 25,000, 13,000, 15,000. That's why we constantly talk about products that meet the range of $3,000 to $10,000 net profit being realistic. Of course, there's products, tons of products making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, but do you have the tolerance to launch this brand? Do you have the investment capital required to order 2 to 4 months worth of inventory? Do you have the marketing budget to pay those astonishing cost per clicks that these giants are spinning? Because these huge companies that are doing 7, 8, and 9 figures, they understand customer acquisition costs and LTV. So the reason why I love this series is because so many people think that it's hard to find a successful product. All products on Amazon sell. The $1 million question is, can you find a good product for yourself? That's the whole purpose of this channel and specifically this series, to help you find your first or your next products. So if you don't have a software and you're not doing product research for your first or next product, the guys over at Jungle Scout have been kind enough to give us a link for the best pricing on the internet. You can go to www.discountonjunglescout.com. The link will also be pinned down below. On top of that, if you get any value during this video, go ahead and like the video for me. It helps the channel out immensely. Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell next to it. That way you're notified every Friday when we drop new 7-figure product series, and every week when we drop new videos on this channel that will help you increase your income, impact, and influence. Now, we've looked at the product, we've looked at some of the competition, we've looked at some of the revenue numbers that this company is actually generating. Let's take a look at the listing, and then let's actually critique the product and look at what's inside. By the way, if you want access to this product discovery report, as well as all of the past 7-figure product series and all of the future 7-figure product series videos, then click the link down below and you can download them for absolutely free. We have all of the links, all the cheat sheets on this guide that is going to help you with your first or your next product. All right, now going through the listing here, you can see that they have a large variation of colors. And one of the most frequently asked questions I get is, Josh, how do I determine what type of variations that I should have for my listing? A few different popular variations is going to be size, quantity, colors, or patterns. And this is what I recommend. Do your due diligence, lead with data, not emotion. So don't ask yourself which colors do you like, which patterns do you like, which quantities do you think people will purchase. Instead, look at the search term volume and also read all of the reviews. Using these indicators and using this research is going to help point you in the right direction. Start with your most popular sizes, patterns, colors, or quantities, usually being 1, 3, 6, 12, or black, white, gray, brown in neutral colors. And if you want to test crazy colors like this coral or this aqua, then I recommend that you start with limited run test quantities. If you sell through at a nice rapid rate, then on your next future orders, you can add more until you do a process of elimination for identifying which ones are movers and shakers and which one are going to be stuck inventory or slow movers. Moving right along here, you can see that they have the price point right. They're ending in 4. Remember, we never end in 9. Traditional images, you can't do too many crazy images. I would like to see a ours versus theirs. You know, I'm a huge fan of that. Also some lifestyle images, but other than that, it's just a few different variations, different angles of the main image. Other than that, very clean. About this item, very just generic. Not too much you can do here in terms of persuasion, product description, benefits, features, the whole 9 yards. Moving right along, you can see that they were doing some lightning deals. Lightning deals are my personal favorite for increasing BSR or bestseller ranking, as well as increasing your keyword ranking and your brand dominance on the Amazon platform. However, you are going to pay to do that at selling your product at a portion of what you normally sell it for. Lightning deals have urgency and scarcity because they're for a limited time and there's a limited amount of units that are sold. This is what we call ethical urgency and scarcity, one of the most effective. Moving right along, we're scrolling down to the enhanced brand content or A+ content. Again, this can be done by getting your brand registry through Amazon. And in order to be qualified and approved for brand registry, your brand has to be trademarked. Now, I have a video that I'll pin up above and also drop a link down below showing you how to get your trademark and how to apply for brand registry. That'll help you guys out. You can also go through a Amazon preferred partner, and if you go through them, once you pay and once you apply and the trademark is pending, you can get approved versus waiting for the USPTO to actually send you the documentation that your brand is actually trademarked, which will save you a ton of time and hopefully help you guys make a ton of money. Moving right along, we have some lifestyle, we have some images of the product in the bath, we have a little bit about the product, why the product's good, what it includes, how to use it, a little bit about how it's made, easy care, some additional products that they offer like different packages, face towels, so on and so forth. Really good to use enhanced brand content for cross promotion and promotion of other products as well. All right, cool. So now we looked at how much this product is generating. We looked at the metrics. We looked at how to find these products. We looked at how much the competition is making. We also looked at the listing to see what are they doing that other people are not doing. And we got some inspiration and some insight on how this $1 million listing is marketing themselves on Amazon. Now let's take a look at the actual quality of the product. First and foremost, this did come in an Amazon box. So the way that they're shipping this to Amazon is just gonna be just how you see it right here in this plastic bag, plastic wrap with the ASIN right here, sticker put right on top of that. Very simple. No package stuffer, no marketing, nothing. 7-figure product, simple packaging. Guys, I need you to understand that perfectionism leads to procrastination and complexity is also the thief of completion. So don't focus on your stuff being super complex and don't overanalyze your packaging because a lot of the people that are making a ton of money, They don't care about anything other than solving a problem and offering a great product at a great price. That is what moves the needle on Amazon. Great products, great value, great price, and speed, because success loves speed. Now, opening this up, there's not going to be too much to discuss. They have their brand name up top. They have wash before use, wash alone. They have a warning label for suffocation. Whenever you have a large plastic bag, you have to have that label. If you are unaware what labels or warnings that you should have, or if your product or packaging should have any, please refer to the TOS or Amazon's terms of service. You can go to amazon.com/terms of service or sellercentral.com/terms of service and check in your niche, your category, your packaging, or your product type to make sure that there are no warning types. For instance, large bags, suffocation warning; battery needs to be a fire or a hazard warning; small plastic pieces need to be a choking hazard. You need to understand this because you want to make sure that you're not liable for anything, God forbid anything happens. Moving right along, smell check. There is no odor, which is huge because whenever you're manufacturing product that comes in close contact with the skin, if it's being used on your skin or close contact around your nose, mouth, or eyes, one of the biggest things is going to be the smell of the products. Now, there's a few different ways that you can deter funny smells or your product smelling funny, whether it be the actual manufacturing facility or the actual chemical compounds or makeup properties of the product. One of them being by silica gel beads. This will neutralize odor and remove any of the moisture that will cause the products to smell funny. But if you're dealing with these issues, and again, this is why you want to look at your competition, look at the negative reviews, look at the positive reviews, and if everybody's complaining about smell, you got samples, you notice the smell, you want to have that conversation with your supplier and say, hey, what can we do to make sure these products don't smell funny? These do not smell bad. Definitely super white, nothing really to go by here. There's no package stuff or no marketing material, anything like this that I noticed. Just 6 nice folded, very soft, high quality towels. And this is a perfect example that, guys, simplicity sells on Amazon. So let me know down below what you learned from this episode, and if this opened your mind about how you can sell normal, physical, everyday products that can sell on Amazon 24/7, 365, and hopefully help you turn your spare time into a full-time income. I'm Joshua Crisp, your host of 7-Figure Product Series. If you got any value whatsoever, please smash that like button. It does a huge help to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on. Every Friday we drop a new 7-Figure Product Series video, and every week we drop a new video to help you increase your income, impact, and influence. As always, I appreciate you guys so much. Drop a comment down below. I read them all, and remember, you're only one product away.